In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the HubSpot Salesforce integration. To get started on this journey, we first need to navigate to the HubSpot user guide. This is essential because it provides a detailed framework for understanding how these two powerful platforms can work together seamlessly to enhance your business operations. Once you've found your way to the user guide, your next step is to click on the Marketplace. The Marketplace is your gateway to a variety of applications and integrations that can supercharge your HubSpot experience. By accessing it, you're opening the door to versatile tools, including the integration with Salesforce, which is one of the most popular choices among users seeking to streamline their customer relationship management processes. Now, look for the Apps section within the Marketplace. Clicking here will take you to a collection of applications where you can find numerous solutions, each designed to add unique functionalities to your HubSpot environment. This step is all about exploring the available resources and identifying the right tools that suit your business needs. Once you're in the Apps section, type Salesforce in the search bar. This search will direct you to the Salesforce app, which acts as a bridge between HubSpot and Salesforce, ensuring that both platforms share data efficiently and work in sync. Next, you'll want to click on Salesforce. Here you can explore all the available features by navigating to the Features section. This is a crucial step as it allows you to understand what the integration offers, including how it can automate and enhance your sales and marketing workflows, thereby saving you time and effort in managing data across these platforms. The Shared Data section is where you can delve into how information is transferred and synchronized between HubSpot and Salesforce. It ensures that you're equipped with the knowledge to manage customer data effectively and maintain data integrity across both systems. Finally, don't forget to check the Pricing section. Here, you can compare different pricing plans to find one that fits your budget while still offering the essential features you need. This step is important to ensure that you're making a cost-effective decision and getting the best value from your investment in the HubSpot Salesforce integration. By following these steps, you've now equipped yourself with the foundational knowledge needed to leverage the HubSpot Salesforce integration effectively. This integration not only helps in managing customer relationships better, but also optimizes your sales and marketing operations, leading to more efficient business practices. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to make the most of your HubSpot experience.